There is so much ice on the front of my car. That's wild. That is kind of crazy. Quick update for my friends who have followed the journey through my apartment. Flood number 3, I believe it is currently taking place. So I've evacuated to my car. Promise you I'm not being dramatic. I just wanted to step outside real quick. Didn't really think to record horizontally as the incident was happening, so I apologize for that. But ladies and gentlemen, this is a little rough. Kind of weighing my options right now as far as how to get out of this place. We're all good. I unplugged everything, got the carpet up because I love that carpet. It was getting close to the carpet, and I couldn't witness that happen. So I got everything up, and the couch is on these little stilt things, so that's all set. The rest of the stuff I unplugged, got up above the ground, and hopefully we're all set there. But the nightmare continues. I know a couple videos ago I kind of showed you guys what the flooding was in my bedroom. Now we have a massive flood in the kitchen and dining room and living room area. So it's really quite unfortunate. I don't really have an answer for you at this point. Maintenance was obviously the first people I called, and luckily a Sunday night here renders that useless because they're about an hour and a half away. So Buddy did say he was coming. Tomorrow morning at about 9:30, they made a nice appointment for me as well to get things hopefully fixed. And that's where we stand currently with the flooding situation. Can't help but laugh. It's so laughable. I've documented every single bit of wrong that has happened in this apartment, and it's unfortunate. You know, life goes on. My apartment floods, so what? There are people without food and water in the world. I have food and water all over my floor right now, as it seems to be food scraps and garbage disposal waste that is mainly the culprit. So we're living. If any of you guys are in Southeast Michigan, feel free to shoot me like a DM on Instagram or something. I can tell you what complex this is. Wanted to keep you guys in the loop because I feel like I haven't made a kind of video in a while, and I haven't really had an opportunity to with work. Taking a lot of my time, a majority of my time. So I'll let you guys know it is still flowing, by the way. It is still flowing, and I had to step away because maintenance isn't going to be here for another hour anyways. And I wanted to kind of just get outside. So I'm going to go back in to the war zone and kind of assess. And then I'll give a little update. It's fun. It's quite the evening, quite the Sunday evening of relaxation we got going on here.
Let's go. Let's extract this weed.
Update for the folks at home. Got everything off the floor because there's water here, all the way up here, and actually all the way out in this area. Ultimately came from there. I don't know if you can see the glare, but there's still water on the ground. And my sink and countertop area looks like this. I apologize for not giving a warning in advance. That's pretty disgusting. They left. Maintenance said that this was resolved. I don't know if we're looking at the same thing here, but that's not even close to resolved, my friends. It's 10 p.m. on a Sunday night, and I will be cleaning this up because I have work tomorrow at 7:45. Just a little update for y'all. Kitchen's back to normal at least, kind of. wild couple of days, tell you what. The living room situation needs a bit of work because at first the water was coming over here and all the way up yonder, and I thought, I love this rug so much, I cannot let it get ruined. So I have never sprung into action so quickly in my entire life. Got this rug up on the couch, got everything kind of squared away so that if water went everywhere, at least it would keep the ruining and damaging to a minimum. It is freezing outside, ladies and gentlemen. 29 in Michigan today. I was a little bit distraught at the destruction of my apartment, although I thought I held it together pretty well. Considering the circumstances, but I just wanted to kind of put a video out. I wanted to kind of show more so what a day is and what I've just been going through, man. It's been kind of wild the last couple weeks. I've been trying to get out of this apartment, trying to get into like a house, or kind of weighing my options. My lease isn't up this year until June. I got some things to figure out, so that's what I'm doing right now. I am planning to upload some more videos here, so I know I have been a little bit absent on the YouTube here lately, but we are going on the spring rally. I don't know if I told y'all this. I don't believe I did. We are going on the spring rally to Milwaukee, Wisconsin with Rally Kings, and that's in May. The other big part of it is just like exploring new cities. I've never been to Milwaukee, so that'll be fun. 2022 is the year that we absolutely ramp things up, and I say we because it's not just me, right? It's the people around me, the people that, you know, offer their cars to make videos with, go to rallies, do cars and coffee, make all these videos possible. Because if I didn't have the culture around me and the friends around me that enjoy the same stuff I do, none of this would happen. So a quick thank you to, first of all my car friends that make this possible, and to you guys who like watching. I believe we also just hit 2 million views on the channel. Another measurable milestone, and it's really cool to see people engaging like that, and it lets me know the kind of content that you guys like. If you guys like the more DIY sort of things, like the how-tos, we're gonna do more installs, modifications to this car, modifications to other cars coming soon. No spoilers yet, but a lot of cool things coming this year, and I'm really excited to share them with you. So subscribe if you haven't already. 2022 is gonna be huge. There's a squirrel running in front of my car. But that's just kind of the update I wanted to run by you guys and put out a video really for video's sake. It's something that I love doing. It's something that motivates me. I apologize if this didn't really have a lot of substance or a lot of, I don't know, stuff in it. If you really hate the video, you can go ahead and hit that dislike button. But I'm gonna leave you guys with an action item. I want you to comment something you want to see on the channel this year. If I can make it happen and it benefits you, I want to absolutely do that. Whether it's this car, whether it's other cars you want to see, whether it's rallies, experiences, driving, what do you want to see this year in 2022 from me? I will do my best to deliver. I read all my comments. I will be heading home here. I say home, 4 hours north, and we're gonna film some content with some cars there. We're gonna get back to kind of a normal schedule. I can't wait. Like that, it's making me so happy thinking that that's gonna be here in a couple of weeks. I'm taking a little vacation, we'll call it, just a little break from the everyday routine so far. But this is gonna conclude my rant. It's definitely an unconventional video for the channel, so again, leave a like for the algorithm, helps out major. And until next time, we'll see ya.